So today I'm going to introduce the technology of the image process. So the project is about image recognition for the timestamp detection. So our goal is to create an algorithm that will detect the timestamp on the photo and try to erase the timestamp on the photos. So we are using three methods to implementation the image process. First is find the file. We try to find the file, find the image in different location and get the image to process. After we get the image, we will try to find the timestamp on the photos. We're using find date to find out which region the day was included. And after we find the date information on that region, we'll try to remove the date, the timestamp on the region, and after that we will cover the original picture, which using the crop area. So here is the program flow for our program. After we start the program, we will try to find the file. Is that the image included in the file? If yes, we do the mask image, detect the image, and then mask the image. We'll crop the image for the timestamp. Here is the program flow for our algorithm. So after we start the program, we'll try to find the image. If the image include the file, including in the file, so we will process the image. First, we'll do the mask image to filter out the timestamp in region. After that, we will crop the region and we're just processing the crop region, not the whole image. So after we crop the region, the small region, we will detect the text inclusion. If we find the text, we will try to text of time. We will try to clean the timestamp text on the crop region. After that, we will put the process the cropped region to original image. For the find date method, we will split the RGB color and then figure out which region we should be processed and mask the other region that we don't need to change. Just keep the timestamp region. Just left the timestamp region for the next steps processing. So for the remove, we need to do two steps. First is rotate the image. We will need to keep the timestamp region on the right bottom. So after we rotate the timestamp on the right bottom, we will do the crop image, crop the region that include the timestamp, and then average the RGB color of those of the crop image region. After that, we're using the Gauss filter to blur the crop region. That's the roughly processing of the remove of the image remove. Here's the result. The left hand side is the original photo and the right hand side is the processing photo. So after that, the time will be printed out on the top of the region, on the top of the photos. We will blur the timestamp region to. So here's the original. Here's the original timestamp, and here's the after processing timestamp. Here's another example. We'll see has pretty good performance on the erase operation. Here's when the picture is more complex, the the final result of the eraser is not looking so good. If the photo doesn't include any timestamp, it will return could not find the date on the top of the image.